What up? Gigi the mechanic, back at it again. This time we're changing the shifter knob light. I got some pry bars and a light that might work. So we're gonna open her up and see what we can do. All right, first thing we're gonna do, take out the accessories, take out this stuff, and we're gonna remove this piece here and getting to under here. So what I'm probably gonna do is put this in gear, not turn it on, but so I can get to neutral and put up the brake. All right, got that done, and my car's gonna yell at me. So I think I'm gonna start with this bad boy here, and just, oh, it's already ready loose. Just kind of work your way around the edges, pop it off. You can use a screwdriver, other things, but you don't want to damage your trim. Oh, look at that. Whoa! Easier than I thought. So you want to be careful because this is attached. So we're going to try to lift this out of the way, but not really strain the wires here. So then our next step is going to be getting to this piece here, which is holding the light bulb. So there should be some kind of release in here that will allow me to lift this up. This is really gross. Ew. I'm gonna clean that. I don't see any. Okay, so I couldn't get this whole piece out like I saw in the videos. So I noticed some little snaps down here. So I actually popped those up on both sides, and I'm gonna see if I can get under there. Maybe that's where the light is hiding. Alright, so I was able to get this up, and how I did it was this front one first. It's got some little levers on it, and then this one is kind of just a slide into a frame down here. So I see the light, and I am going to attempt to free it. Alright, so I got this old one out. Took a lot of jiggling, but I got it. It's so old, there's no marking on it of any kind, but it does seem to match the new one. So this is a 194. I guess pretty standard for a shifter, so let's give it a try. Alright, so you want to line it up. You can see it's kind of flat here, so you want to hopefully put it in where it lines up there. Shimmy that in. Alright, got it. Let's see here. Woo! Alright, so now I will put it back together. Oh my god, this is so gross. I feel like if you're gonna take the car apart, I mean, you might as well get all that shit out. Oops. Awesome. Oh, gross. That is 20 years worth of nasty. Alright, so I wiped everything down. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better. Not quite as dusty and gross. And now you can actually see through these. I thought they were tan before. Alright, so to go back in, I think I'm gonna start with the far side first, because it's no levers or anything like that. Kind of wiggle that in there. Now I'm gonna kind of bend this one and slide it into here and hope that I can align these little prongs with this hole down here. So I might need both hands for this, so bear with me. Basically, there's a little prong here that's got to line up, and then we're gonna clip these back on the sides. Alright, so now that I've got this clipped back in place securely, my next step will be to pop this back on. Still got it in neutral, and I'm gonna tilt it in here first. Make sure I can get it nice under there. And make sure this is here. Mine wasn't really popped in to begin with, so I think that'll about do it. Now let's check the lights. Okay, well, you might not be able to tell, but because it's light out, but I definitely see it coming on. You can kind of see it in this patch. All right, trust me, it's there. All right, moment of truth. Woo! I told you it's there. Yes.